Welcome, dear students, in today's session of chemistry. So in that lecture, we discussed the synthesis properties and uses of some polymeric compounds. The compounds are polymethyl methacrylate and Kevlar. So their synthesis properties and uses are essential. So let us see the presentation. So this is my today's presentation. First of all, synthesis of polymethyl methacrylate. So synthesis properties and uses of some polymers. In that, we are taking two examples. The first example is polymethyl methacrylate, PMMA. So it is nothing but the ester of methyl acrylic acid. Ester of methyl acrylic acid undergoes addition polymerization reaction use polymethyl methacrylate in presence of acetyl peroxide, benzoyl peroxide or hydrogen peroxide as a catalyst. So this is the reaction. So in that methyl methacrylate ester, methyl methacrylate, n number of methyl methacrylate undergoing addition polymerization reaction. So this is addition polymerization reaction in presence of catalyst, that is hydrogen peroxide, gives polymethyl methacrylate, that is PMMA. So basically this is the addition polymerization reaction which is taken place in presence of light, where homolytic cleavage of that pi bonds are takes place, homolytic cleavage, and simple addition polymerization reaction are takes place. So polymethyl methacrylate, n number of methyl methacrylate undergoing addition polymerization gives polymethyl methacrylate. Then properties. So this is a material, colorless, transparent, hard and rigid. So polymethyl methacrylate, it is colorless, transparent, hard and rigid material. Its refractive index is 1.59, like water and glass. And this refractive index, that is, these properties are most important in the application of polymethyl methacrylate. It has high resistance to sunlight and ability of transmitting light accurately, even a curved structures are present or curved sections are present in their article. So it has a high resistance to sunlight and ability of transmitting light accurately. And this property also important for the application point of view of that polymethyl methacrylate. The next property, it is amorphous because of presence of bulky side group. It is amorphous because of presence of a bulky side group in their structures. Low scratch resistance, this is another property. Low chemical resistance, that is hot acids and alkalis. Low chemical resistance, low scratch resistance, and it has high softening point, that is 130 degrees Celsius to 140 degrees Celsius, and becomes rubber-like at temperature above 65 degrees Celsius. So these are the properties of that polymethyl methacrylate are present, and depending on that property, their uses as follows. For making aircraft light fixtures, gun torches in cockpit canopy, that is in aircraft, transparent model of complicated mechanism and their pictures in aircraft light fixtures, in cockpits, artificial eyes because of it is transparent, harder in nature, refractive index, then dendrites, automotive parts of vehicles. Then next, for making bone splints, artificial eyes, dentures, pens, adhesives, emulsions, windscreens, jewelry, TV screens, guards. So in jewelry, they are used in television screens, in guards, in a mobile guards. It is also used in automotive applications such as in tail and signal lights, lens, dials, medallions. Its sheets are also used, that is acrylic sheets. I think we are all familiar with the application of acrylic sheets in signs, glazings, skylights and decorative purposes. So this is the application of acrylic sheets in metal and also in such type of application. The polymethyl methacrylate are used. The next example is Kevlar. So Kevlar, it is nothing but the polyparaphenylene terephthalmide. Polyparaphenylene terephthalmide. It is an aromatic polyamide with benzene ring linked with amide group, and it is obtained by condensation polymerization reaction. So condensation reactions are take place in between 1,4-diamine benzene and terephthalic acid dichloride. So in that, one hydrogen from that amine and chlorine from that acyl chloride are reacts with each other, and there is a formation of such type of structure. So in that reaction, n number of HCl, that is byproducts, are eliminated. HCl is eliminated, that is byproducts are obtained. So called as condensation polymerization reaction. So basically, in the preparation of that Kevlar, the monomers are used, that is 1,4-diamine benzene and terephthalic acid chloride. Undergoing condensation polymerization, where elimination of n number of HCl takes place and gives a Kevlar, that is the product of polymeric material. Their properties. So Kevlar possesses an extraordinary property, that is exceptionally strong, that is 5 times stronger than steel and 10 times stronger than aluminum. It has high heat stability and flexibility, more rigid than nylon, and resistance against almost all the solvent except some powerful acids. So these are the properties are present, and on the basis of that property, their applications or uses. First, it is used in aerospace and aircraft. In the preparation of parts of automobile, that is car parts like tires, brakes, clutch linings. So in that field, Kevlars are used. Also, it is used in the preparation of ropes, cables, protective clothing, bulletproof vest, motorcycle helmets. It is used in the preparation of ropes, cables, protective cloths, bulletproof vest, motorcycle helmets, and other high performance materials. So in that field, that Kevlar are used. So these are the pictures: helmets, bulletproof vest. This is again bulletproof vest for security purposes, safety purposes, hand gloves, then shoes, again helmets which are used in military, cut resistant gloves, that is hand gloves, bicycle tires, car tires, then fireproof clothings, then cables for the manufacturing of cables, in USB cables, then hand gloves which are used in a laboratory where higher temperatures are required or heating are followed at higher temperature like muffle furnaces, then coating of cables and such type of belts. So these are the application of Kevlars are present on the basis of their properties. So that is all about synthesis, properties and uses of some polymer.